Hey guys, if you're in Japan and you see something that looks like this, let me try to get it for you a little better. You see a wrapper that looks like this, and you pull it out and it looks like this. Do not eat it. It tastes like... The first thing that I thought when I bit into this thing is I was like, maybe there's a hint of soy sauce. I bit off a chunk and I attempted to chew it, and I was hit with this spice on my tongue that felt like it burnt it off, and it literally tasted... I know people are going to judge me for this, so please understand me when I say this. It tasted like someone put hot sauce on their butthole and was like, come lick this, and you lick the butthole with the hot sauce on it. That's what this tastes like. It is the worst shit I've had in my entire life. I'll do it again just for you guys. Oh my god, that's bad. Ugh. No. I would rather have this. Or this. I would rather have this crap right here that tastes like rotting... I'm trying not to be too graphic on here, but it literally smells... We'll say it. It smells like rotten tuna. And tastes like rotten tuna. I'll try it again. I'll try this one again and see if it's... We'll see if it's as bad. That's weird. I kid you not. This stuff tasted like rotten tuna, and now I'm biting it and it literally tastes like nothing. That's how bad this is. It completely destroys your sense of flavor. If you want something to not taste bad anymore, try this. If you don't want to puke, do not ever. There was another one in my bag that was like this, and it was fish, and it was just as bad. But now this doesn't even taste bad anymore. That's how bad that stuff is. Yeah, it's not bad. I got this stuff too. Yeah, I should show you guys that. This is all of the candy I've eaten so far out of here. And that right there, guys, that is a no-go. You see that on the shelves in Japan, don't buy it. This, however, this is really good. This is like Candy Rocks, or Pop Rocks. Pop Rocks, that's what they're like. That's what I meant to say. Oh god, okay. It's not awful, but I'm starting to taste the fish. I think my sense of taste is coming back. Oh god. But, there's a lot of good stuff in here. This tasted like a chocolate chip cookie. And these things, I know it's hard to see them, but these things are wonderful. And don't worry, I'm going to throw this all in the trash. I took it out of my bag so I can tell what I have left, because it's very hard to tell. But, yeah. These things right here were one of my favorites. They were pretty much like a giant cheese puff. They were like a giant cheese puff that has like different flavors, and there's quite a few of them in there, and they were super good. This tasted like a giant, like a wafer cookie with chocolate in the middle. Um, but yeah, I would say it's really. I was gonna do a review on all this stuff and try it with you, but I've been having this stuff over the course of 2 days because some of it makes you feel a little full. But with you guys. Oh yeah, I forgot about this too. These. I just had these not too long. Son of a bitch. I just had these not too long ago, and they were pretty good. Even though they tasted like jelly beans, and I don't really like jelly beans, they tasted like square version of cherry jelly beans. I'm gonna try these for you. They kind of look like noodles. Yeah. Yeah, they have like a dried noodle taste with I don't know what the hell that is. Whatever that bowl is, but whatever that is, that's what it tastes like. It tastes like dried noodles with whatever that stuff on the front is. It's not bad. Definitely taking over that butthole stuff. I also got some mints. And looks like Winnie the Pooh laid an egg or something. Guessing it's like a marshmallow probably. I had something in there that was like a marshmallow. And these birth control pills. That tastes like chocolate. They're good. I'm saving this little guy for my girlfriend because she loves Pikachu. But yeah. Well, I got some like crumbs on my screen from something. Oh yeah. I guess I forgot to show you guys this. I think this is... I'll try this now for you guys too. I think this is jelly. I think. I mainly did this video to warn you guys that if you're ever in Japan, don't buy that stuff. Because it is awful. What the hell? That's weird. Oh, Jesus. It's like a tail. Can I grab stuff with it? It has like the same consistency. It has like the same consistency as those little hands that you throw at the wall, they stick. That's what these feel like. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's pretty good, this stuff. Very slimy. Tastes like... I think it's blue raspberry, maybe. Very slimy though. But thank you guys for watching and listening to my rant. And hope you guys are all having a good day. And I'll see you guys in the next video.